In the University of Arizona College of Social and Behavioral Sciences, faculty and students examine some of the greatest challenges facing humanity, such as climate change, health, technology, and international conflict. We offer 30 degrees and house many highly ranked programs, including a top 5 School of Anthropology, the top 2 program in creative nonfiction, and the #1 political philosophy program. Within our dedicated faculty are 12 Regents professors, 3 MacArthur Genius Award winners, and numerous Fulbright and Guggenheim Fellows. Students receive a broad-based liberal arts education and engage in hands-on learning. They can participate in archaeological digs, develop school gardens, use drones to tell border stories, and help develop solutions to local poverty. Our students cultivate skills in critical thinking, problem solving, communication, and technology, skills that prepare them to become engaged citizens and leaders in the 21st century. Learn more about how you can obtain a degree from the University of Arizona College of Social and Behavioral Sciences